Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and today we're looking at how we can actually upload our EAform from SQL Payroll to SQL Eleave App. So before you upload your EAform into the app, you will have to make sure that you have already processed your December payroll and also cross-check to make sure all the numbers are correct. So once you have confirmed that all the numbers are correct, all you need to do is come here, the cloud sign, pressing cloud, alright, and then we come to payroll, alright. So once we want to upload your EAform, we need to come here and tick include EAform. So then from here we can press upload. So example, if we want to upload 2022's EAform, we press 2022. But if we just upload 2022, means your team or your employees all will not be able to see 2021's EAform. If you want to upload 2021 as well, we must come here, we must select our format, then we can upload. Alright, so that's it, 2021 English, press OK, then we press sync now and it can upload. So let's say example for 2022, we just press 2022, system will automatically pick up the form, and then we press sync now. Alright, so process already, and then your team members would be able to see the EAform on their Eleave app. Okay. Right, so that process now is done. Okay. Okay, so from the Eleave app, all you need to do is log inside the Eleave app. Okay, so that is here. Okay, go to employee view and scroll down. Then you will see there is one called EAform here. Right, so click on the EAform and click on 2022. And then you can actually see all the particular details here. Alright, so if you want to save, you can actually come here and you can click the save button and you can actually generate a PDF from it, and you can actually print out directly from the Eleave app. Alright, so this is actually how easy it is to send your EAform to your employees. Do like and subscribe to be notified when we release new guides. Thanks!